Now I'm going to ask one practical question which I observed just now. So that I like to discuss with all the participants. It will take 10 minutes max. Any question for the outward supply? If you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll ask one practical problem. Fine. What is the practical problem that I come across just now? And you need to give the solution. And you need to give the solution along with. I'll not provide any solution. Sir, there is some party. While filing the GSTR 3B of 1819, in the table 4, input tax credit. So they have, in the month of the say April 2018, ITC, they have taken 1 crore in CGST. In the May 2018, they have realized this mistake. They have realized this mistake. So what is the way to report this? They know that they can reverse through 4B2. They have entered 1 lakh in the 4B2 and finally the net impact is nil. Is there any problem? And they have taken the ITC 50 lakh in the CGST and the 50 lakh in the SGST. That is the normal solution. Do you have any problem in this treatment? You have taken some extra credit in April 18 wrongly. You have reversed by using the table 4B2 and then you have taken correctly. My question pertains to outward supply. My question not for inward supply. My question not pertaining to input tax credit. My question pertaining to outward supply. Please confirm if any participant is not clear about this problem. I hope you all are okay. Now, what is the problem? Now, what is the problem? You know, the problem is, if you see the GSTR 3B, if you see the GSTR 3B, table 6, I hope you all able to recall the table 6, the tax payable, say IGST, CGST, SGST, and like input tax credit which you are offsetting, correct? This reversal of 1 crore, this reversal of the 1 crore which you reported in the table 4B2, it will be appear in the tax outward supply as 1 crore. Which you can utilize this IGST ITC of 1 crore and then click on the offset button. If I'm repeating again, please recall the GSTR 3B. Please recall the GSTR 3B. There is first table I'm talking about with respect to ITC only. Table 4A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total, I'm talking about IGST. If there is nothing, if there is no entry, then if you enter any amount in the table 4B, it will be added to your output tax liability. The same thing happened in this practical problem. There is no input tax credit in any of the field. So net ITC comes into the negative and this negative amount has been added in my outward supply. किसी ने रियलाइज किया है क्या ऐसा ही होता है? ये एक्चुअल है, ऐसा ही होता है. Are you aware about this fact? Please confirm. Or this is new to everybody. Are you aware about this fact or it's new for you? I'll repeat again. I'm repeating again. What I did, sir, in the month of the April 2018, I have taken the ITC 1 crore in GSTR 3B table 4A5. Simple. So what is the impact after April 18? There would be the balance in the electronic credit ledger in the IGST had 1 crore. Simple. But this was wrong. So how you can rectify this mistake? In May 2018, assume there is no transaction. Assume there is no transaction. How you can rectify this mistake? Because you cannot enter the negative amount. Can you enter the negative amount in any of the GSTR 3B fields? No, sir. We cannot enter any negative amount. What is the solution for ITC? Sir, there is one solution. Table 4, part A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have added 50 lakh in the CGST and 50 lakh in the SGST. But now I need to reverse also. But I cannot put negative 1 crore. I cannot put. So what is the alternate way? Sir, please enter in the reversal part. So I have entered 1 crore. I have put the amount 1 crore. So what is the net impact? There is 4C, which will comes as a negative 1 crore and 50 lakhs CGST and 50 lakhs SGST. RK sir, practical problem point is clear? Any participant you want me to repeat? No. Then how the table 6 would look like if the table 4C, please always remember, if the table 4C appearing in the negative amount, then how the table 6 of the 3B are going to be appear? The table 6 will disclose this negative amount in the tax outward supply, tax payable field. 1 crore comes in the tax payable field, and then 1 crore you can use the IGST ITC. Whether there was any ITC in the IGST? Yes, sir. There was ITC in the IGST account. You can use that, and there would be then you can click on the offset button. This was the way how it will disclosed or appear in the GSTR 3B. Now clear? So I can ask my question. If till now it is clear, then now I can ask my question. Fine. My question, if it is added in the tax payable column, because it is added in the tax payable column and also in the tax paid field. So if you see the GSTR 9 table 9, if you see the GSTR 9 table 9, I'm talking about this table. I'm talking about this table. You will find in this field rupees 1 crore. Because you have paid the amount through ITC, you will find this 1 crore, and auto populated amount also there would be the all transaction including 1 crore. Are you agree with me, or you need any clarity on this point? Is it clear to everybody, or you need the clarity on this point? Clear. Fine. So my question, how you will handle this transaction if it is appearing in the 1 crore in the tax payable amount, okay, my question, first question, will this 1 crore tax liability be disclosed in the table 4? Will this 1 crore tax liability be disclosed in the table 4? Not at all, sir. Not at all. Because it is not my outward supply, then how can I disclose? It will not disclosed in the table 4. Perfectly agreed, fully agreed. Now my second question. If the table 4 will not have this 1 crore transaction, would you reduce this amount 1 crore from IGST tax payable column or not? क्या आप 1 करोड़ का जो अमाउंट यहाँ पे ऑटो पॉपुलेट हो रहा है उसको रिड्यूस करेंगे, बिकॉज टेबल 4 में तो वो ट्रांजेक्शन है ही नहीं। क्या टेबल 4 में आपको वो ट्रांजेक्शन दिखाई देगा? नॉट पॉसिबल सर। इन द टेबल 4 दिस ट्रांजेक्शन वुड नॉट बी रिपोर्टेड बिकॉज इट इज नॉट माई आउटवर्ड सप्लाई। देन विल यू रिपोर्ट or will you reduce the amount in the tax payable? My view, the table 9 tax payable column, the table 9 tax payable column, I'm talking about this, should be equal to the table 4 tax liability. Therefore, I had to reduce the amount of 1 crore from the tax payable. I fully agree that in the paid through ITC, 1 crore would be appear and we can't change. That is acceptable. We can't change. That is acceptable. But my suggestion would be that table 9 tax payable should be equal to the table 4 tax liability, so that you will not have the problem of mismatching in the 9C as well. There is also same table, that is table 9. Yes, for this treatment, you can put one comment or one auditor point, one note in the particular audit observation list. This from my side, the today discussion is completed. From our upcoming webinar, 2 to 3 series we have kept, but this would be this type of the short discussion only. Please confirm. Clear to everybody, or you need any further question and answer on this point? Vani Saab, R.K. Sharma ji, your any other point? Every participant, Abhay Sinha ji, Krishna ji, do you have any other point? Every participant, do you think from any other aspects? Do you think that there is any other possibility to treat these transactions, or this is okay? That is ITC, na? That is ITC. That you can continue. That there is no problem. That is ITC. It will appear in the table 6. You can bifurcate in the table 6. That is not a problem. Because you have reported negative amount in the table 4B, you have reported the amount in the table 4B. That is, as a result, it will be added in the output tax liability. Today discussion was limited to the output tax liability only. Tomorrow we will discuss about the input tax credit.